Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So let me move over to a more, there we go. We are here with the Kroger ad preview for the sale that will run from November 13th to November 19th of 2019. It's pretty much just week 2 of the mega event with a couple other little deals in here that we're going to discuss. I posted a poll if you'd rather see this or the CVS haul. Personally, I think the CVS haul would have been a lot more valuable because this is like a repeat of last week, but 70% of you said you wanted this instead. So that's what I did. So, yes. If you haven't seen my current Kroger videos, go and check those out. You don't want to miss some of the deals going on right now at Kroger. And go watch the donation squad video today that myself, Kelsey B. Saves, Financial Phoenix, Belle Barton, and Kaylee Saves Money, we all put up videos today that you should go check out. So go check those out, and let's just dive right in. So we have buy one get one free on the boneless shoulder roast or the fresh Tyson natural chicken split breast. $1.79 a pound for fresh ground beef. We have $1.77 a pound for the asparagus, which is a good price. This is excellent right here. 99 cents for the raspberries or blackberries, and then 99 cents for red tomatoes on the vine. Really great produce prices. And then for turkey, so it's 69 cents a pound with card, or you can get a free Kroger turkey when you spend $125. So that's a deal. I mean, you can keep in mind if you're going to spend $125, why not get the free turkey? But you know, that's an option. Okay, and the $125 I'm sure is before coupons. Okay, $4.99 when you buy 2 of the Pepsi, 7-Up, and Coke. Awesome price. You're not going to get better than that. And 2 for $12 for Bounty and Charmin. 3-day digital deals. We have the Marie Callender's Pies or Edwards, $3.99. Ruffles or Tostitos for $1.49. And the large Coke Shrimp for $5.99 a pound. Okay, Tombstone pizzas are $2.99. Hilarious. I was watching Financial Phoenix's Black Friday at Dollar General video, and they're going to be 2 for $7 on Black Friday. So Kroger's literally cheaper right now. That's hilarious. Buy one get one on Kroger Spices. And then Post cereals 2 for $3, which is weird because I thought it was on the mega event, but must not be. And then some rotisserie chicken is $6.99. Okay, buy 10, save 5. I am not going to sit here and read off everything. I will tell you if prices are going up, because a few prices actually are going up. So like the Starbucks is going up. It's $5.99 this week. They're jacking it up to $6.49. Because I've gone over all this in my other Kroger videos. So it'd do me zero good to sit here and read off everything to you guys again. Something else is going up. The Swiss Miss, it's $1.29 this week. They're jacking it up to $1.49. The rest of it's the same though. Yeah, this is all the same. Yeah, oh, here's more. I had to still, this new ad's so weird. Land O'Lakes, there is a 25-cent Ibotta and a 25-cent Kroger cashback rebate for the Land O'Lakes sticks, not the tubs. I made that mistake. That's a good price. Good, these are staying the same. The Creamette, Green Giant, and Red Gold, 49 cents, great. And then same with the cream soups and Swanson's broth and the gravy. They're keeping that at 49 cents. And then for the rest of the mega items, are all these. Oh, so those Post cereals. That's weird. Okay, I don't know if there'll be a double dip with that or not. I'll have to look into the Post. Yeah, these things are staying the same. So that's good. We did get $3 off 2 coupons for the Suave this week. So you can get those for 99 cents at Kroger, which they're a lot cheaper over at CVS next week. And they are jacking the Kellogg's up to $2. Right now it is currently $1.49. So if you want some Kellogg's, go get it this week at $1.49. Okay. And the rest of the ad is just the junk page. That's pretty good. 88 cents for some Lunchables. And then down here is actually buy one get one free on Private Selection, meat or cheese. Really good prices there on the Private Selection products. Not really seeing too much here that's anything special. And then here's the back page. No free Friday because those are once a month now. Last year they did a Thanksgiving deal, and they did not do it this year. If you bought like $100 worth of stuff, you get an extra like 20% off at the Kroger Marketplace stores, and they didn't do that this year. But they still do a free click list, which is definitely appealing. Lots of other products here. Vegetables, produce. I'm not too excited about any of that. Avocados are always 99 cents, so that's stupid. Acorn butternut squash or spaghetti squash, 79 cents a pound. That's pretty decent. And that's Kroger for next week. It's a repeat of last week, pretty much. So go watch last week's video if you haven't already. And of course, come back Wednesday because I'll have a brand new video up for you guys. And yeah, that's all that I got. And thank you guys so much for watching.